Hey guys, welcome to Facebook Friday. So my Facebook video this week is not a terribly exciting demonstration, but this is a very cool product. So this is Corkcicle, and it's similar to some other products, but we have some different offerings with this one. So you've got your water bottle or juice or wine, whatever you want to keep cold, or stuff that you want to keep hot, right? So coffee, tea, all of those things. So keeps things cold for 24 hours, hot for 12 hours. And so you've just got really nice, easy top there. Now, kind of the one difference with the Corkcicle bottles, well, there's a couple things. One is the rubberized base, so it doesn't slide around. It's gonna stay a little bit put. It's also flat on each side, and so for gripping it, it's a little bit easier. And also if you are at the gym or at yoga or whatever, if you end up laying your bottle down, it's not going to roll away on you. It's going to stay put. So that's kind of a couple of cool features that sets the Corkcicle apart. We also have, so that's the 16 ounce. And then there's also the big boy here, 25 ounce, right? So a couple different sizes, lots of cute colors also to choose from. Got kind of the shimmery one there. It's really pretty. Rose gold, very popular. And then there's also the tumblers. And so this is great for coffee and tea, keeping it hot for a long time. So you can use it just as is without the lid. There's no rough edges. There's no nothing to screw on. So it's a very nice cup just to use as is. Or you can just pop the lid on there. It's kind of like a plexiglass sort of feel to it. And just slide it open and shut like that for drinking. I have one of these. It works great.
What's the temperature on that one?
And that one is same thing, or sorry, 9 hours cold, 3 hours hot. Sorry. The bottles keep stuff hot longer because of the lid seals. And then there's also the stemless, so like a stemless wine glass. And same concept with the lid, so you can use it with or without the lid, like that. So for white wine drinkers like myself, if you want to keep it cold longer, this is going to be great. And then there's the lid if you want on top of it. But obviously, if you're drinking, juice, water, anything, that's another really cute option there too. So that is Corkcicle, available at Cravings. Lots of color options. Come check it out. Thanks, guys.